Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm super excited. Okay, I have been actually falling in love with my Pixel 9 the past couple of weeks. I've been kind of really holding off doing a real review on it because I felt like I didn't give it an honest, fair shake when I first started, and I felt a little overcritical, so I wanted to give it some time. Um, and I've grown to like it, and I actually grown to like the pink. People recognize it, they see it, it stands out. But thanks to Google, they have decided to send over the Pixel 9 Pro, and for $250 difference, so what from $10.99 to $13.50, you do get a much more bang out of your buck for this phone. I wish it was bigger. Obviously, that's what the XL model's for, but we're going to get the better camera. We're going to get a better screen. We're going to get more RAM. We're going to get a lot more Gemini Nano stuff built into it. So I'm just excited to see really what is the difference, because I do think the 9 was a huge jump over the 8. So the 9 Pro over the 9, I think it's going to be an interesting thing. And they also sent me over the case, so I gotta like that. So a little bummed that it's not the pink anymore. I actually grew to like the pink, but this is hazel, right? So hazel phone. So let's see how it goes. Google very big on making sure everything is as little as waste as possible on their things, and that's just paper. Let's take a look at what's inside this phone. Come on, I don't want to rip this. I want this just to slide out. Come on, Google. Let it slide out. I don't want to rip it. I really don't want to rip it. I've kept the, yeah, I kept the 9 kept its thing. So you can do that too. 9 Pro. Can't believe it's going to be an unboxing video of just me trying to slide it out of its sleeve. Not going to be fun for anybody. Come on. Oh, okay. I feel really wrong doing this. Google, you broke my heart. Okay, that hurt. Sigh, but oh well. It's about what's inside that counts, right? Pixel 9 Pro. Okay, so similar to before, we've not seen a we're not even seeing a SIM puller. So this cord. Oh, SIM puller be in here. Hiding it in there. So that's in that little area. No wall charger, because you don't need them these days. Let's see if I can do this without ripping it. Come on, Google, let me do this without ripping it. No. Oh. Come on. Satisfying. Okay. There we go. So let's take a look at them. Obviously, they are the same phone. Just if we can, in the back, we can see the case, the camera housing. We got the telephoto lens on it. Just to prove it, it fits in a 9 case, just like that, which is how I think I'll be using it, because I like these MagSafe kind of charging cases. So if Google did that, that'd be really cool. But they sent me their case. I'm just going to boot that up a bit, so we can see if maybe we can see the quality of the screen difference. If they'll see that. In the meantime, while that's booting up, I'm going to go through the case. Let's see what it comes up with. So it's going to be matching hazel. Oh, ripped it. Come on, there we go. Here we go. It's got that nice little fuzzy interior like we had on the 8. Nice wide visor there. So what happens if I put it in the pink? That does feel sleek. It's not textury, rubbery, that'll hang. Like it still feels slippery-ish. That feels weird. That looks really out of place. So I don't know, but that does have a nice feel. I can imagine like in a couple weeks, that'll definitely wear down a little, but then feel better, like it matches. Okay, so I mean, obviously this kind of screen we're not going to see much difference between these two kind of pictures, but yeah, like that looks really good. English, Canada. Cool. All right. Well, I'll play around. You guys have any questions? You let me know. Thanks.